ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Plie Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala Plie ya ka admission minta.
Ka DPMU CCLMP West Khasi Hills District kaluyok ban pelipat bakno ya ka National Resource Management Library kebadan Nongshillong Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Ya ketik NRM kebalabay tingkaling maka World Bank and Grassroots Innovation Fund lawan man peliperda du SR Environmentalist ke World Bank and TTL for CCLMP Ushri Piyush Dogra haringkat gajingan dan lang Additional Project Director CCLMP Ushri Guna Naka DBIFS nangta Ushri Tijud Zalzo Deputy Project Director Project Management CCLMP UCM Gahima Mauyang uba NCM uba Yopio Pakenten Director Project Manager DPMU CCLMP West Khasi Hills District kirang bashnong ki kina school bat kiwe lamang pisah hados pholak tingkah bante ya kani ke yeng hakabai ke jingtre lasdang nadu ka khanyo truk jemang arajar pholai bala pendap ya ke jingtre hakap khundai truk nopra arajar pholai baga jingple kani ke library hakar ke sngi longru kum kalat ban ai ke jiminto ya ke khna school jangani ka dong ka than
Yeah, and then roll it.
I feel the CLAM project, the essence of CLAM project was community-led landscape management. That means community is important. And you can see how this project has brought in the change which DPM was just referring to, that it's very difficult to change the mindset, but you need some instruments. And probably this project has come up as an instrument to bring that change. And the change is so visible that people are demanding a library here. People have put in a library here, which is beyond the scope of the project. The project has gone to village natural resource management plan and implementing the related work. But the interest of the people, the interest of the community, the interest of Vinaramsi, this is what the change is. You can very well see the change which has come here, and this is the change which we all need, because the climate change and other aspects which are now hampering the environment and ecology is bringing a devastating future for us. So it's important that we realize that how important it is, the environment and ecology of a local area. We talk about bigger pictures and bigger climate change and global network, but it's important to look at local aspects of ecology, and I'm glad that here in your work you are also documenting flora and fauna of local village, which is important. I'm also happy that almost all those activities which are needed for a forest management have been included in this VNRMC. They have started with nursery, they have started with regeneration, they have started with assisted regeneration, they have also started with check dams, they have gone to the clearing of fire lines, and they have even done the awareness about fire and the spring chamber, and ultimately the catchment area treatment. All aspects which are needed scientifically for a bigger forest management have shown by this village that they can do. So there is nothing, this is what you have done, and this is what the integrated planning is. This is what the landscape planning is, and this is the essence of the project, and you have shown that every element of the project on a sustainable landscape, you have proved that. All elements, and I'm thankful to DPMU team and VNRMC that you have included a total cycle of the project, which is needed in this case, and you have gone beyond with the library establishment. That means you are targeting the local youth and you are also targeting the students. And that is what is required, the next step going forward. Our students, our young people should realize that there is a dire need of the society to look for ecology and environmental aspects. And without looking at the local aspects, you cannot think about the bigger picture on this. So it's important to look at the local aspects.